Alright people, here's the deal. First of all, I'm getting blasted by the sun. What the heck? I can't even see myself. Alright, it's opening day at Solitude Mountain Resort. I have my camera with me. I didn't bring a GoPro because I always have to forget something. Last year I forgot my winter jacket, but today we're gonna have the best day of our lives because it's November 24th, time to snowboard. I think it's the 24th. Never mind, it's the 23rd. I'm hungry for some snowboarding. Also, I only had yogurt today and I'm about to ride for the next 6 hours, which is probably gonna be problematic. But supposedly they have free donuts, so stay tuned. Alright, so a few updates on this season. I now own the Icon Pass. Amazing. I get to go to a bunch of different resorts now. I've already made a whole bunch of plans. So now that makes my home mountain Solitude Resort. Absolutely beautiful, stunning snowboarders, skiers, you name it. The only problem about it right now is I got on the baby lift. I don't know how this happened. I didn't realize that this was the like learners area. So I'm heading over to the other one. Opening day. Of course, snowboarding is always fun. It's only just a little bit sad because all of the snow that we got in mid-October was gone. And so they even had to push back the opening date for Solitude from Friday to this Tuesday, which was today, because all the snow had melted. But I mean, yeah, it's always fun going snowboarding. When I first got there, they did have a DJ and they got... Alexa? Excuse me, what?
Excuse me is usually defined as an old-fashioned type of dance where partners constantly changed. Or an old-fashioned type of dance where partners constantly changed.
Anyways, when I first got there was a DJ playing house music, which is, you know, very nice. I like house music a lot. Allegedly, they had donuts that you could grab, but I didn't know where to find them, and I didn't really care because I wanted to snowboard. But yeah, there were 2 lifts running. They had the Moonbeam Express. Took you to one run, which was basically a green circle, I believe? Probably, I don't know. Everything's a green circle to me because I'm the best, obviously. And the other one was the beginner learners area, which I ended up going on because I had no idea that's what that lift was. So actually, I'm just a beginner. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. I don't know how to snowboard. I don't know how to pay my taxes. I don't know how to buy a house. I don't know how to pay rent. I don't even know how to cook my own waffles. Whatever, I'm getting distracted. Long story short, good opening day. She needs a little wax on her, if you know what I'm saying. And yeah, we'll be back next time. Here's the outro.